How to set two videos to play side by side within one video frame using the CapCut Video Editor app, and let's get started. When you're ready to start on the home screen page of CapCut, go ahead and start with Create. As you're in the Create section here, you want to go to where it says Stock Videos right here. And be sure you're under the background category section. And the reason is you want to add a base video frame, then later on put the two videos you want to play side by side, okay? Now, after the update, things are a bit different. So let's go ahead and start with the base video frame here. You'll have it appear looking like this here, but you'll notice that the base video frame, the blank one, is only gonna be 5 seconds long. And after the update, for some reason, you can no longer increase the duration of this video frame. So what you're gonna do now is go ahead and add as much more as needed to match the time frame of the two other videos you're about to add. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and add myself another one, and I'll just keep on doing that until I reach the amount of video time duration needed, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is to be sure that the video frame ratio is matching the videos that you're about to enter. So for example, if you're starting with a horizontal video frame here, then the videos that are going to be inserted to play side by side are going to be better when they are recorded in the vertical video format. And then you want to do this vice versa. If you're having the videos vertical, the main video is going to be in vertical, and then the other videos are inserted will be horizontal. So that's going to work better for you, okay? So go ahead and adjust the aspect ratio of these video frames here. And in order to do this here, you'll want to go to where it says ratio right here and adjust it. So if originally the video frame is a 9:16, but you want it to be horizontal, then go ahead and select that one, or the other way around. Now that you've done that, it's time to go ahead and insert our very first video. So to do this here, you want to go to where it says overlay. And once you tap on that, you'll be taken to this section here where you can select the video that you want to add. So make sure you're in the folder that has the videos that you want. So you can use this drop down menu here and then look for it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with one of these videos here. These three videos are recorded vertical. So as I add them in like that here, they are going to appear like this here, okay? So you can now take your two fingers and adjust the size of it and kind of try to get it to a size where it fits at least half the video frame, or however you want it to be, okay? And then now we'll go ahead and insert our second video. So come back here, go to add overlay, and then you can go ahead and select that other video. So I'll go ahead and select this one here, and we'll do the same thing again. And it's up to you to make the adjustment so that it can fit the video frame and get most of the content to show, okay? Now, once you're done, and this is just a basic way of doing this here, once you're done with this here, you should have something that looks like this here, where the two videos are playing side by side, okay? And it's gonna match all the way until the amount of time duration needed. And you can go back and add as much more frames needed to match these two videos here. Now, one thing to note is that going back to overlay will allow you to edit these here. And maybe I want to reduce the volume on this one here. Once you tap on it, you'll see the volume option and you can do that, okay? And that is that, my friends. Like and sub.